Hey guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to add money to your Emerald card. Stay engaged until the end of this video to learn about this and more. You can reload your Emerald card at any participating location. Please note that you will pay a small processing fee when reloading the card. 7-Eleven stores will charge you as little as $0.95 5 add funds to your card. Other locations include Walmart, Dollar General, CVS Pharmacy, Walgreens, and Office Depot. These stores charge up to $3.95 5 the processing fee. Now follow these steps to add cash to your Emerald card. Head to a participating location, go to a 7-Eleven or your preferred participating location. Bring your Emerald card and cash, bring your Emerald card and the cash you want to add. Consider the transaction fee. Ensure you consider the transaction fee of between $1 and $4. Approach a cashier's desk and ask the attendant to help you reload your Emerald card. Give the cashier your card and cash. Give the cashier your card and the cash so they can deposit the money into your account. Take your card. Remember to take your card with you when the process is complete. So there you have it, guys. Adding money to your Emerald card is that easy. Thanks for watching.